Alright guys, so here we are. We're going to do challenge 4 and stay tuned till the end to see how the channel has been performing. Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this week we're going to do some challenges. So today is going to be challenge 4, and some of these are going to be ones that I think are great learning tools. Some are going to be actual challenges that I had and I learned a lot from, so we'll go from there. So here's one that when I was pulling data, stock data, and pickling the files, and because you start to hit max queries, so you're gonna have to link all this stuff together. So I started pickling it. Then I wanted to figure out, well, I needed to save these pickle files, but I don't want to manually do it. So this is what came to mind. I was saying, well, one, come up with a way to save a file, pickle it, and then go from there. Because you'll have to come up with a way to automate the file. And then if you have zero, after a while, and you have zero ideas, think about when you download an Excel file from someplace. Typically has the date in it. So that is your hint. So that is your hint for this challenge. And so then tomorrow will be challenge 5, and I think we're going to go back to our, because I almost gave it away for free, but I think tomorrow is going to be the challenge that we had with the headlines. Well, we'll deal with that as it comes. But also just wanted to, I didn't think I was going to recognize it. I'm like, you guys are bored with this. But I just kind of want to show you guys. So we're doing challenges, and we're here at 4,506. And I haven't shown you this in a while. But just this growth is just absolutely unbelievably humbling. So this is a 365 day. So this is last year, 215, and today we'll have somewhere in the 600s or 700s. And here's where it gets really crazy. When I first started, I would have this. This right here is a 48-hour chart. And each of these bins is the number of views in that hour. I would have these things blank. So I just want to make sure you guys know how much I appreciate you guys spending your time here. And then these are the top 25 videos and how they're performing hour-wise. But yeah, just completely. And then over here is the last 60 minutes. So I've had 50 views in the past 60 minutes. That's mind-blowing that I'm getting closer and closer and closer to having somebody somewhere watch one of my videos every minute of the day. And I really can't even fathom that. So what, yesterday was 28.8 hours and 22, no, I'm sorry, that's for the week, and 737 views in one day. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.